The next question word that we're going to cover in this lecture is the question word efo. Where? Efo. Where? When we want to answer the question in, at, or at the, in the, we'll use the preposition be and ba. We'll use the preposition be and ba. It will depend on whether it is definite or not definite. So every time that we have a proper name, for example, in New York, in Israel, or any other city or name of a country, we'll use be, as well as indefinite nouns. In a restaurant, in a house, etc. We'll use be. When something is definite, so when we're saying at the, in the, we'll use the definite form of the be preposition, which is ba. And then we're going to see some examples. For example, ba avoda, ba misada. We're going to see that in the examples in the exercise. Before we continue, we need to work with our otzar milim. By the way, otzar milim in Hebrew literally means treasure of words. Isn't that a fantastic expression? Treasure of words. Otzar milim. Otzar milim is vocabulary. So let's learn a few words before we carry on. Work. Avoda. Avoda. House or home. Bait. Bait. Restaurant. Misada. Misada. Kindergarten. גן ילדים. גן ילדים. Dead Sea. ים המלח. ים המלח. Airport. שדה תעופה. שדה תעופה. Excellent, so I hope you wrote all of those words in your notebooks. After you've done so, we're going to see each other in the next lecture. We're going to exercise with the question word, efo. So that's it for this one. I'm going to see you in the next one.